Hey guys, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a community on VK. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the steps. So first of all, launch VK application on your mobile device. Now once you are here, make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now just at the bottom left corner, you can see an option of Hub. Tap on that option at the bottom left. With that, you'll come to this page. Now over here, you'll see the option of communities. Tap on it. With that, you'll come to this page. Now just at the top right corner, tap on that plus icon. Now let's wait for some time until the page is loading. Now over here, you have to select the goal for your community. You can select any of these options, but for now, I'm gonna choose this option of share content and chat. Now, you'll come to this page where you have to enter your community name. You can enter any name you wish to. And then you have to choose your community privacy. It's automatically set to open. If you tap on it, you'll see the option of closed as well. If you choose the option of closed, only community followers can view your community's content. So just tap on select once you choose your community's privacy. Now, in case if you have chosen the option of closed, you can see this option that says hide from search. The toggle is turned off. If you turn on the toggle, the community won't appear in search results and only users can join via private invite, which means that you would have to send link to your contacts in order to send them invites so that they can join your community. After this, simply tap on continue at the bottom. Now you'll come to this page where you have to select subject for your community. Your selection won't affect the community possibilities. So you can choose any one of these options here. You can even scroll down below and find out other various options according to your community's interest. After this, simply tap on the option of create community at the bottom of your screen. Now your community has been created. You can either tap on continue setup or simply tap on go to community. Now you can see that I'm here on my community, and if you have been able to create your community as well, you can post various contents, add photo, add various clips, discuss about various topics, and even chat with the community members. So that's all for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.